If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Luna Classic video update. My oh my, I don't know, we still managed to make one small pump for Luna Classic, which was pretty decent to see. You moved to 15,000, right? Fine, amazing. Now the reason why we had Luna Classic there, I told you about the reversal wave, which is not in play at the moment. We didn't even come to 13,315 just yet. So we're starting to kind of look decent for Luna Classic maybe, or is it time to go to the downside? That's another thing. Now if I do bring in the EMAs, is this the final pump for Luna Classic before we finally drop down to the main targets that I'm waiting for? Because you can see that you've already made that last final pump to the 20 EMA, and if you somehow try to cross the 20 and go above the 20, then we're looking for 17,000 as your next technical target, and try to come up to the 55 EMA. Now I personally do love the discount on Luna Classic. Like honestly, long term I kind of like the prices. Doesn't matter to me, doesn't really matter if you're on 12,000 here, 14,000. When you speak about long term, 14 and 12 and 10, they sound almost the same when you speak about, because let's go back up to 59,000 again, and you tell people that I bought at 14,000, or even tell people I bought at 17,000 when it goes back to 59,000. People are going to say you bought cheap, right? Let's say you said you bought at 20,000 as well, and you go above 58,000 and you continue and cross even 50,000 and go even to 80,000, and people are still going to say, whoa, you bought it at 20,000, something like that. How does that sound? But to me, you see, we still have a flag, we still have a pressure to go to the downside. The only thing that is really good about the coin right now is this on the daily. That on the daily is what is really good, the RSI. The RSI is at the lowest that we had previously, and this is a massive support from the RSI, by the way. Let me tell you that, because look at this, one touch right here, bounce, made a rally to the upside, one bounce right over there, and then start to make a little bit of a rally, and now you came down again, and you still are looking for a massive support on the RSI, and we could be on the verge of making another impulsive move again, right? Because you've already oversold on the RSI. But RSIs are lagging indicators, and that's the thing, because speaking about the RSI, sounds cool, sounds pretty amazing, but if you look at the weekly, we have a bear flag. So what are we going to do about the flag? You see, that's the question. What are you going to do about the bear flag? Okay, but you do also have a reversing hammer right there, but this could be invalidated and still try to move lower, because you also had a morning star and that was invalidated as well. You're making a hammer right here, can be invalidated for two reasons. One is you must be making this hammer or a bullish candle next to the support, which is this line right here, because that's your touch right there, come back, touch this line, make a hammer here. Doesn't make sense. Okay, that makes sense there, but it doesn't make sense to make it here. And I've told you this one before, that always make bullish reversal candles on a support and not in the middle of nowhere. I told you here, and you can see that the result of that was that we still moved to the downside. So what are we going to do about the flag? You went to the downside, you made the bear flag, you're meant to go down here. That's the technical target. So what about this small pending target? What about it? I don't think they're just going to push it anytime soon before pushing it down there, and take stop losses, and if they're interested, make a successful retest and then start the move up, which is actually possible, because RSI is oversold, everything is just pretty much oversold. But you never know about crypto. If things fail, and they do even fail sometimes, and you move down and you backtest this, boom, that's it. Then you're looking for even lower targets. To me personally, you're going to be looking for lower targets, and I don't care if you're looking for lower targets. I'm not going to buy. I'm going to wait for lower targets then. And that's pretty much it for this update on Luna Classic. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.